And we see the crowd. Everybody is ready. And over here we got the crowd and they're ready. And now here we go, right into the cut. And it don't look like we're really going to fit. They're going to have to turn the boat around and go back. It doesn't look like we're going to fit. Only going to make it with one inch to clear. Yes, indeed. And somebody's blowing a cannon off. I'm not sure if that's friendly or not friendly. Maybe they're shooting at us. Maybe we shouldn't come here at all. But I think it's to welcome us, to get her waving. Okay, all right. They're welcoming us. That's lucky. I thought they were shooting at us. And we are barely making it through here, somehow.
That's cool.
Yeah. We're sort of making, I guess we're going to make it through. Doesn't look like a lot of room on either side here.